Hello everyone and welcome to Linux Academy's AWS Essentials course. If you're watching this video, then you're probably wondering what this course is all about, so let me tell you about this course. AWS Essentials has been designed for those who have no experience with AWS and are looking for a simplified course that covers the basics of AWS, from creating an AWS account to using core AWS services, all while using non-technical terms, simplified explanations of concepts, and introductory hands-on walkthroughs. This course has everything you need to go from zero to using AWS. As for the instructor, well, that's me, and I'm right over here in the corner. How's everybody doing today? My name is Thomas Hazlitt, and I am a full-time instructor here at Linux Academy focusing on AWS content. I currently hold all 3 associate-level AWS certifications, and I love working with Amazon Web Services, cloud architecture, Internet of Things, mobile development, and VR and AR design. As for this course's prerequisites, AWS Essentials is a beginner-level course, so no prior AWS experience is required. However, I highly recommend that you take our AWS Concepts course before taking this course. AWS Concepts is only about an hour long, so it's very short, and it introduces AWS at an extremely basic conceptual level, and it's a natural lead-in to this course. Also, having basic knowledge of computer networking and Linux, although not required, is recommended for this course. As for specifics, this course will provide a conceptual overview and hands-on instruction for the following AWS services. We'll start with how to create an AWS account, and then we will move into core services of AWS, including identity and access management, virtual private cloud, simple storage service, elastic cloud compute, RDS and DynamoDB, simple notification service, CloudWatch, elastic load balancing, auto scaling, Route 53, and AWS Lambda. So again, welcome to Linux Academy's AWS Essentials course, and I hope to see all of you in the following lessons. Thank you for watching.